Hello, my name is Prem Kumar. Today we are going to discuss about CH and their advantages. CH means Certified Ethical Hacker, version 11. CH exam code is 312550. In this demo video, we are going to discuss about introduction, EC Council certifications, CH syllabus, CH labs, and Q&A. Now, EC Council certifications is divided into 5 security tracks. Mainly, you can discuss like 5 security tracks. They are VAPT, forensics, SOC, software, and governance. So, if you see VAPT means vulnerability assessment, penetration testing. Vulnerability assessment means finding the weakness of a system or a network. Penetration testing means using that weaknesses, how can we exploit inside the system or network. So for vulnerability assessment and attack methods, we call TTP, tactics, techniques and procedures. We have a course called CEH. So this is the first and fundamental course in cybersecurity tracks. So after you study CEH only, you can understand how to do that step by step. That is called penetration testing. How do you penetrate the networks? Now for that we have courses like ECSA, LPT, and advanced course called CPENT. And now once you are expertise on vulnerability and penetration testing track, then you can start analyzing the logs and finding digital evidence and submit to the court. That track is called forensics track. For that we have a course called CHFI. Then day-to-day operations, solving day-to-day problems, and any big disaster happens, how do you handle the disaster? For that we have a called track called SOC. SOC means Security Operations Center. For this Security Operations Center, we have for incident response management, we have CSA, ECIS. CSA means Certified SOC Analyst. ECIS means EC Council Incident Handler. Then we have for disaster recovery planning, we have a course called EDRP. And for software, after that SDLC, Software Development Lifecycle Security, we have .NET, Java, PHP, Python. For that we have different courses like case.net, like that. The fifth track is governance track. So in the company, we have to maintain a lot of standards, ISO standards, HIPAA standards, so many standards we have to maintain. So are we really maintaining the standards properly, or our company is compliance to these standards? So to verify that, we need to have a course called governance track. So in the governance track, we'll be doing CCISO. It's a course for your auditor course for auditing. After this, now if you go to Cisco, if you go to EC Council certification, this is the official website where they are talking about all the tracks. Now, first, let's start with the fundamentals like network security. We must know that this is a prerequisite of network security, and some fundamental courses are there. Then some awareness courses are there. These are the fundamental courses. So cybersecurity course starts from ethical hacking. That is our CH course. Then, as I told you, pen testing. These both comes under VAPT track. Then we'll go to forensic track. This is our forensic track where we'll discuss about how do you find the digital evidence. Next, we have a SOC. SOC is basically what? Security Operations Center, where you have to take care of the incident response. Any big issues happens, how to handle the incidents. Then for that we have incident handling track. Then we have a disaster recovery track. So this is the both comes under SOC. Then you have software development, lifecycle security, SGL security, we have application security track. For the application security track, we have different certifications. These are the certifications comes under software security. Then last but not least is your auditor governance track. In the governance track, we have CISO certification. Now in this video, we are going to discuss about CEH. In the CEH, we are going to discuss about what are the syllabus covered in CEH. Okay, let's go back to the presentation. Now, in CEH, we have total 20 modules. They are introduction of ethical hacking, where we'll discuss about different types of attacks, what are the attack methodologies like cyber kill chain model, EC Council attack phase model, all these things, and some standards and certifications, all we'll discuss on introduction track. Introduction module. After introduction module, we'll go for footprinting, scanning, enumeration, vulnerability, system hacking. These all modules are nothing but your attack phases. So how do you the attack happens? Stage step by step, phase by phase, they're discussing on this. After this, we'll take different technologies like malware, how to uh, find how the hacker will use the malware to gain access to the system, how the hacker will generate his own virus or own malwares, and how do we detect the malwares in different ways, and sniffing attack, source changing attack, DOS denial of service attack, all we'll discuss. How if somebody is hijacking your session, then how do you bypass the in module 12 we'll discuss about how do you bypass the IDS firewall and the honeypots. Then we'll discuss in module 13, 14, 15 we'll discuss on the web infrastructure. Okay, basically in the web applications, how the security, how the infrastructure is built, and how do we make secure network, what are different types of attacks are there in web related attacks. Then how do you attack wireless networks, what are the attacks are there in mobile platforms, and what are the attacks are there in IoT and OT hacking, and what is cloud computing, or what are the attacks are related to cloud computing. Here we'll be discussing on AWS. We use AWS and we'll discuss. And cryptography. So what is cryptography? What are the different sciences are involved in cryptography? Technologies are there like encryption, hashing, digital certificate, all we'll discuss in cryptography track. After that, we'll be having why CH is demand globally. Because this is the one course where once you finish this course, you will get all the certificate, all the roles will be involved in that. So once you finish CH course, you will be getting all these jobs available, because for all these jobs, CH is the fundamental. After that, yeah, in EC Council Cloud Labs, we are actually delivering based on EC Council Cloud Labs. We will be discussing in all the modules we have labs. Okay, it is based on cloud-based labs, which is given by EC Council. Do you have any questions? You can please send a mail to us, or can call us. Hope it is informative for you. Thank you for listening.